To add Trustpilot reviews to a Squarespace website, start by navigating to squarespace.com and logging into your account. From the account dashboard, select the website where you want to add the reviews. Next, visit a website that offers a review aggregation tool. Create an account and log in. Use the search bar to find the All-in-One Reviews section, where you can choose from various templates, such as a carousel or grid. Select a template, continue with it, and click on Publish. You will be provided with a link, which you will use later. Return to your Squarespace website, click on Edit, and find the location where you want to add the reviews. Click on Add Block and select the Embed option. Click on Edit again and paste the link you were given earlier. This will allow you to display Trustpilot reviews on your Squarespace website.